Barack Obama has made increased business links central to his rapprochement with Cuba, so to Havana. Indeed, less than 24 hours into Obama's Havana visit, Starwood Hotels has said it will invest an undisclosed amount to refurbish 3 Cuban hotels. Western Union has also said it will expand in Cuba, as has Priceline, the online booking site.
You see the Havana today is full. They receive more than 4 million tourists per year. I mean, 3.9 million was last year, and this year is going to be much more, with the application of probably more than 100 daily flights from the US. If that happens, clearly the amount of travelers to Havana and Cuba will skyrocket. And we want to make sure that we are ready to welcome them.
Yet while these moves are significant, that is only so in the Cuban context. In absolute terms, they remain small beer, and there are 2 reasons for this. One is the continuing US embargo, which can only be lifted by Congress. The other, perhaps larger reason, is what Cubans call the internal embargo. This is the internal thicket of bureaucracy and state control that makes Cuba a difficult place to do business. Numbers tell the story. Total foreign investment in Cuba totaled some $3.5 billion in 2011, about 4% of GDP. By comparison, in Jamaica, a similar-sized economy, total FDI equals 42% of GDP, and in the Dominican Republic, 90%. Cuban officials have said they want FDI to reach more than $2.5 billion a year. Working against that, though, is a thicket of socialist economy regulations. All foreign investment, for example, must partner with a majority owner that is always the Cuban state, usually a military holding company such as Gaviota, Starwood's partner. Peeling away why Cuba wants foreign investment, and yet has so little, despite the foreign interest, goes to the heart of Cuba's problems today. As with all transition economies, it reveals a tension between the country's need for economic liberalization and the Communist Party's wariness about losing control.
Porque aparte de la variable de las necesidades, está la variable del deseo de mantenerse en el poder de la clase gobernante. Es decir, cualquier reforma que se haga que ponga en riesgo el mantenerse en el poder no se va a hacer aun cuando eso conspire contra la satisfacción de las necesidades.